wastage of time. The questions are very simple. Heard. I hope this be abruptly our meeting ended because time was over. What did exploding of the pistol signify? This was the question. Please put your agreement in the box. What did the exploding of the pistol signify? Give examples of rhyming pattern in the extract. I was explaining the rhyming pattern. Later on, I sent it on the personal, in the WhatsApp group as well. I think so. There is no difficulty in understanding about the pattern. Somebody asked me कि मैम वहाँ पे पूछा गया rhyming pattern पूछा गया तो unless and until you will not understand what is the rhyming pattern, how you can tell what is the rhyming pattern. तो rhyming pattern हम कैसे identify करते हैं मैंने बताया था आपको. That look into the extract. Again, look into the extract. How will you identify the rhyming pattern? Like look at the last word: runners, run, determined, and gun. So runner, run, determined, and gun. Runner is again a different word. It is not rhyming with run, determined, and gun. Run is again another word which is not rhyming with runners. Neither it is rhyming with determined. B. So that is A, B, and C. And now gun and run both are rhyming each other. तो जो हमने run में B लगाया था वही B नीचे आएगा. इसी तरह से second में भी आएगा. The rhyming pattern A, B, C, B, A, B, C, B. This is the rhyming pattern. So please put your yes if should I move forward. Yes. It's with just match with this pistol. Significance of the pistol is that it signifies that the beginning of the anticipated 100-meter race is about to start. उस pistol का बस इतना significance है because the explode of the pistol signifies that the rain has to start. The anticipated 100-meter race has to be start. That is the significance. और उस pistol का कोई significance नहीं क्योंकि उसी pistol के explode से the runners, the athletes were ready to take their race. ठीक है? Okay. Now during the race, who had bad luck? I think so. This is the same question in your book as well. What happened to him? What were his feelings then? So I will be asking from you all. If the same question, please put a yes.
Had bad luck in the race.
Had bad. The youngest athlete or the youngest player in the 100-meter race had a bad luck. Okay. Mute yourself. Drishti. Unmute yourself. Drishti.
Second part answer is just as the youngest athlete start to run, he staggered and fell
Began
down.
the race. The moment the race began, he stumbled and
Fell down.
yes, stumbled and staggered. He lost his balance. Okay. Mute yourself. Yashita. Yashita. Yashita, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. What is feeling?
What was
Feelings
his
then?
What was his feeling?
He was frustrated, a cry of anguish.
Yes, he was
And he knew that he was completely frustrated and gave out a cry of anguish.
anguish. Why? Because
he knew that his dreams and hopes are now shattered.
Yes, because his dreams and his hope are shattered. Now, boys, don't think that if you're not raising your hand, I can abruptly ask anyone to. ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ हाथ जो खड़ा किया वही है. बाकी I can see many of you are there. Those who are not ready to answer. I can ask any of them. Okay. And the player had his bad luck. What happened to him? As the pistol exploded, the race began. He stumbled and staggered on the track. What were his feelings then? His all feeling of winning or the aspiration to win a gold medal was all in dirt. It was all dashed. He was all totally disappointed. He gave a loud cry of frustration and anguish. That has been the aspiration of winning a gold medal is now all shattered. Okay. Okay. Let me ask the next question as Pritin has completed everything. So Pritin, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, after the youngest athlete fell down, the other athletes who were completing the race, they came back to help him, and that is, according to me, or according to everyone, is the true sportsmanship.
They have shown the value of cooperation actually. How does it show the value of true sportsmanship? They show the value of cooperation and a true sportsmanship because when all of them they're on their track, they were heading towards the finishing line, and when they when they heard the cry of the youngest athlete, what happened? They all turned back and
they left their race and came to help
they left their race and they all turned and came to help the child.
the athlete.
So this the athlete, the youngest athlete. This shows the value of true sportsman. Anyone else who would like to answer?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, actually I had completed just the story work.
I know. Acha, you have completed. I thought you at that moment you have completed your story. So poem भी complete कर लिया.
No, ma'am, you said that I'll disturb you in the class after I've completed the story work. So I have just
No worry, no worry. But you have given a right answer, right? Sure. Okay. Somebody else? I would like to listen to the same answer from somebody else. Yes, let me ask Hiram. Always had a problem. Hiram, unmute yourself.
Sir,
Yes, Hiram, answer.
hello.
Hello, can you hear Hiram?
Voice is cracking. True sportsman spirit does not consist of winning medals. Actually, it involves playing fair and helping one another, as we can see in this poem that when that small that
You have to give an example of you are going out on a wrong track, Hiram. How does the poem show the value of true sportsmanship? कैसे पता चला कि true sportsman actually the banner stands for special. They have shown the value of true sportsmanship because whenever there is a competition or Olympics, and you know this Olympics is organized internationally being organized because the participants from all over the world come and participate. So they have to show the true sportsmanship. So you have to give an example of how they show the true sportsmanship.
because when that younger athlete fell down, so all the other athlete came up to him and put him up, and that 100-meter race converted into
Yes, so
100
you
meter
have to
walk.
write it from you all have to write from the beginning. What happened actually? As the pistol explore the race began, the youngest one staggered and stumbled on the track and gave a loud cry. Listening to that cry, everybody turned back because almost other eight were near to their finishing line. So leaving that line, they turned back and came to help the athlete who had fallen down. This act of eight athletes showed the true value of your sportsmanship. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now mute yourself. Okay. Somebody else would like to continue with the same answer? Abhas? Abhas Kumar. Unmute yourself. I would like to listen to your answer. Yes, Abhas. Did you hear my voice? Abhas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I've explained you. Did you hear the answer?
Ma'am, I've joined your class first day.
This is your first day to join the class?
Ma'am, after second time
Okay, mute yourself. Alokik? Abhas, mute yourself.
Is developing rest and faithfulness with one's competitors.
How I want the example. You are giving it extended of the different words for this question. The question has been asked, how will you tell? अगर मैं कहूँ कि यहाँ पे एकदम fair game हुआ है और बच्चों ने fair किया है and they have shown a true sportsmanship, so you have to give an example. How have they showed the true sportsmanship? कैसे show किया उन्होंने? You have to add to an example to it. The eighth athlete who came there back to help the contestant, the youngest contestant who fallen down. Isn't it? Fine. Now I'm coming back to the chat box. Shall we move forward? He gave out a cry of frustration and anguish, still and lifted the lad to his feet. Who gave out a cry? Why did he cry? Again, the same question. घुमा फिरा के मैं इसलिए आप लोगों से पूछ रही हूँ because there was a question how to use the keywords. कैसे keywords use करोगे? तो ऐसे questions में you will write down your keywords. Now for an example, okay, many of them had raised their hands. Okay. So now who gave out a cry? Let me ask Kajal. Kajal, unmute yourself. Kajal Yadav, unmute yourself. Who gave out a cry?
The youngest athlete who fell down gave out a cry.
Gave out a cry. Okay. Manu. Manu, unmute yourself. Why did he cry?
Ma'am, he cried because he was thinking that his dreams and his dreams are all shattered of winning a gold medal.
Yes, his dream of winning a gold medal is
medal.
all shattered. It's all. He was disappointed because
Yes.
why he was disappointed? Because the moment the race started, he staggered and
He fell down.
Yes, and on the track, right? Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. What were his dreams? What happened to them? What was his anguish? These are the three different parts of the question number 2. If is it the same question in your book? No. What were his dreams? Who's going to answer this? What were his dreams? What were his dreams? Lot of hands. Siddhi Khanna. What were his dreams? Siddhi Khanna, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, his dream was to win a medal.
Yes, what were his dreams? His dreams to win a gold medal. Because everybody was inspiring to win a gold medal. The training they had gone through for months and weeks and months, their only aspiration to win a gold medal, right? So what were his dreams? His dreams to win a gold medal, right? Somebody else. इससे नहीं पूछा है. Kaushiki. Kaushiki, unmute yourself. Kaushiki Jaiswal, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, his dreams all were shattered as he fell down.
What happened to them? You have to give the complete answer because see, there are three different parts of the question. You have to write for 3 marks. So your answer should not be very small. Now, what was his dream is okay. What happened to them? So you will write from the starting point. Please, this is for everyone. What happened to them? When did he fell down? You have to explain when did he fell down.
As the race began, he fell down, he staggered and fell down, because of which he thought all his hopes and dreams were shattered.
Right. The third part, what was his anguish? What was his anguish? Yashita. Yashita, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए. What was his
Ma'am,
anguish?
when the younger athletes saw that all his dreams
Youngest.
were...
He was the youngest. Wait, there's a difference. Younger, youngest. The youngest one.
Yes, ma'am, the youngest athlete, when he saw that all his dreams are now shattered and his all efforts that and all efforts he put he wanted to put.
He wanted to put all the effort he had already put
for the event.
Yes.
All went in vain, and he gave out a cry of anguish.
Yes. Because the training, all the effort and the training for weeks and months were all disappointed him the moment he fallen down on the track. Okay, moving forward to the next question. State in your own words that what the 8 other runners did. What did their action reflect on their attitude? State in your own words what the 8 other runners did. What did their action reflect on their attitude? The first part. Who's going to answer the first part? Same repetition of the same people. Anshika. Chalo.
Ma'am, the 8 runners were about to reach the winning point, but as soon as they heard the voice of the youngest runner, they turned out and together they tried to help him. Means they turned out and moved back and they helped him by lifting him, and together they start running and making the whole run into a single walk.
Yes, they all held their hand and converted the race, 100-meter race, into what? Somebody
100.
else. You have to explain from the beginning, right? Somebody else. Those who are raising their the continuation raising their hand. Somebody else would love to answer. Yes, Ashish. Mute yourself. Unmute yourself. Ashish, unmute yourself. As they were differently abled persons, so they all knew how difficult it was to live in such conditions and how heartbreaking it was to fall on the ground. As they were differently abled persons, so they all knew how difficult it was to live in such condition and how heartbreaking it was to fall on the ground. And how heartbreaking it was to fall on the ground and lose all hopes of winning and lose all hopes of winning and lose all hopes of winning after so hard training. After so hard training. Because this is something very differently you have to explain in the answers. The why did they means why did they make the banner special? They may as a banner says it's a special Olympic. How did they really make it special? So you have to explain that they feel the feeling of cooperation is very much in their heart. They know the pain, they can realize pain of losing some hope. तो वो सब जगह हर एथलीट अपने आप को उस यंगेस्ट एथलीट की जगह पे रख रहा था जो कि रेस शुरू होने से पहले ही हार गया। तो सबको ये लगा कि अगर मैं होता तो क्या होता, मैं होता तो क्या होता, ये सोच के सब वहां पे वापस आए। So they gave message to the world. They gave message to the world. They gave message to the world that we need cooperation more than competition. They gave message to the world that we need cooperation more than competition. Not only true sportsmanship, but their human compassion and spirit of both. Human compassion was also there. So they gave a message to the world that we need cooperation more than competition. It was a display of great human compassion and spirit of sports. It was a display of great human compassion and spirit of sports. I hope nobody missed it out. I was very slow. Have you all written? I'm repeating the answer once again. As they were differently abled persons, so they all knew how difficult it was to live in such condition and how heartbreaking it was to fall on the ground and lose all hopes of winning after so hard training. They gave message to the world that we need cooperation more than competition. It was a display of great human compassion and the spirit of sports. So shall I proceed further? Now just see, I'm reading out my question is the same in your book. How do these lines bring out the main theme of the poem? One by one they turned round and came back to help him and lifted the lad to his feet. This is the same question? Main theme. See, okay. Now who's going to answer me? Coming back to the list of one by one actually shows the main theme of the point. I told you now, the moment this youngest athlete fallen down on the track, the entire scenario of the track changed. People were very excited. They were full of excitement, and they wanted to witness the race. But the entire excitement was turned into something different. The entire excitement turned into astonishment. Everybody was astonished. All the spectators and the viewers who were there, they were all astonished seeing the change of the scenario. So this is what the theme. So what happened? One by one, they turned around and came back to help him and lifted the lad to his feet. Who is going to answer? Somebody else? And in सबसे पूछ लिया है. Somebody else? Akshat Khanna, would you like to answer? Akshat Khanna. Akshat Khanna, unmute yourself. मुझे तो लगता है सब ऑनलाइन आके चले जाते हैं. They all go and sleep. Anushka Pandya. Anushka Pandya. Anushka Pandya. Just unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, give me this. How do these lines bring out the main theme of the poem? One by one, they turned around and came back to help him and lifted the lad to his feet. How this incident changed the theme of the poem? Means bring out the theme of the poem.
As the youngest runner fell, they showed the feeling of humanity and value of compassion.
One by one, so you have to explain. One by one, they turned and round and came back to help him and lifted the lad. ये भी तो explain करोगी? You will not explain these lines. After explaining these lines, then only you will give the how did the theme turn? How these incidents bring the theme of the poem?
So as the youngest runner fell down and gave a cry, all the other 8 runners turned and came to help the lad.
Yes.
And showed the feeling of compassion and true value of compassion.
They show the true. It displayed again. If you have to repeat the same, it displayed the great human compassion and the spirit of spirit. Same thing. The previous one said you will taking the part from some of the previous lines and you will write down the answer. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good job. Now, coming back to the next, is this clear? One by one, they turned around and came back to help him and lifted the lad to his right. You will explain his lines, and then they will show that when this shows the value of compassion, and they gave a message. Again, the lane scheme like will be displayed. They gave a message, they spread a message that winning against each other is most important is the cooperation with each other. So this is what the theme and what it was a display of great human compassion and spirit of. The same lines you will take for the next question. At this point, shall I move forward? Akshat Khanna, whatever the confusion you have, you ask me later on. Okay, I'll clear it out. At this point of time, why does the narrator call a story a strange one? Narrate what happened after the young boy was brought to his. Again, the same thing has been asked. This is the same question. At this point of time, why does the narrator call the story a strange one? Why did the narrator call the story? Why even when I'm also saying the entire scenario changed, the excitement changed into astonishment. How come? Right? What happened after the young boy was brought to his feet? Why does the narrator call a story a strange one? Why did he call a story as a strange? you just said?
The narrator called the story as a strange one, as when the boy, when the youngest athlete fell down, all all the all the 8 athletes came back to
Because they were already heading towards the finishing line, as all the other 8 athletes were near to the finishing line. But they left the race and turned back and came to help the athlete
to lift him. Yes, to lift him up,
Right.
and
Okay, but narrate what happened after the young boy was brought to his feet. Again, the same. All the runners who already were near to their finishing line, they turned back the moment they heard the sound of its cry, and they all came back and lifted the boy and hold hand in hand and converted the 100-meter race into 100-meter walk. You have to explain everything. One or the other सारे आंसर्स में ऊपर नीचे एक ही जैसे होंगे, but you have to be very flourish with your words. Shall we move forward? Shall we move forward? Like this, then all 9 runners join hands and continue till these words will ever will. Why did the 9 athletes join hands? What did their action of joining hands show? And why was the race reduced to a walk? The first part. I hope इसमें तो मुझे सबके हाथ ऊपर होने चाहिए, because this is very simple and only 4 or 5 of them are raising their hand. All are just zipped up them out. Anyways, why did the 9 athletes join hands? Oh wow, Kalrav, you just try to raise your hand or just present an example? Why did they join hands? वो तो present किया बाद में. The reason for joining hands. The reason for joining hands.
to lift the young.
To lift the young lad? No. Why did the 9 athletes join hands? Because again the same repetition. I told you that when the youngest athlete fallen down, other 8 who were already ahead towards the finishing line, they turned back and they came to help. Now again it's all over, so they all, to complete that race, they have just joined their hand and turned the 100-meter race into 100-meter walk. Somebody else would like to answer? Somebody else? Abdul? Do you like to answer, Abdul?
Because the finishing line.
Which answer are you giving? Why did the 9 athletes join hands, or what did their action of joining hands show? Yes? Anshika?
Ma'am, the 9.
Yes?
Ma'am, first part, no? The 9 athletes.
First part, repeat the first part. Already given, but repeat
The 9 athletes joined their hands in order to help the youngest athlete to get up and start the race again together.
Yes.
And
Yes, because already the race was all over, because the moment they left the race and came to help, the race खत्म ही हो गई. The race was all over. So therefore they just made the race into a walk. What did their action of joining hands show?
their action of joining the hands so that they have their heart full with compassion and empathy for each other.
Yes.
And they know the value of humanity and they prefer humanity more than the competition.
Yes, they show the true value of sharing, caring,
Sportsmanship also.
and empathy. True value of empathy and compassion for each other. Why was the race reduced to a walk?
The race was reduced to a walk because they have started doing the work together. Not work.
Because already when the youngest athlete fallen down or stumbled there, the other all 8 came to help them. So the 100-meter race is now over because everybody turned and came back. So
Yes, ma'am.
because one of them stumbled in the race, so therefore They all worked together to complete the race. Okay. So why was the race reduced to a walk? Because all the 8 athletes already left their race, left their track, and came to help
Help the youngest one.
and therefore it was reduced to a walk.
A walk.
Coming to the next question, give the meaning and the significance of and the banner above said Special Olympics would have been nearer the mark. Now, who's going to give the answer? And the banner above that said Special Olympics would not have been nearer the mark. Anybody else? See, Special Olympic is an international game which is games event organized for the participants by different children and adults with their intellectual disabilities. ठीक है, intellectual disabilities की वजह से यहाँ पर so that they don't feel inferior in the community, they don't feel just disconnected with the community. So government has organized this international games event so that these kind of people also come forward and can show their talent. ठीक है, and this is for them for differently abled, and this banner says Special Olympics. When they gave a message of truth, compassion, and cooperation, rather they gave a message that cooperation is much important than competing with each other. They gave a message to the world. Therefore, the banner which says that Special Olympics actually stood for their speciality. Okay, so should I repeat this answer and or you will write by yourself? I'm coming to the chat box. If you can write it down. आई नो कर रहा वो मिस्टेक ही होगा क्योंकि क्लास में तुम नहीं सुनते तो ऑनलाइन कैसे सुनोगे एनीवेज प्लीज जस्ट पुट योर ओपिनियन दैट should I give you this answer you can write by yourself chalo I got the answers everybody wanted to write them by themselves okay how did the race end in what way was the ending appropriate in what way the ending was appropriate how did the race end? Again, the race end with a walk. All the 9 athletes held their hand and completed the 100-meter race through a walk. In what way was the ending appropriate? The ending was appropriate. Why? Because all the 8 athletes were just near to their ending position. They all returned back to help the boys. So already the race was all over. So just to complete the ending part, they all held hand in hand and completed the 100-meter race to a 100-meter walk. This is another appropriate ending. How did the contestant? Yes, all the instead of one, the entire 9 people, the entire 9 athletes got the gold medal. Instead of one. Yes, you're right, Tulika. In what way is the ending? And they also not only they were all feeling very proud of themselves, and they also got a standing ovation from the spectators for showing their true compassion and sportsmanship. So how did the race end? In what ways? So please, these are the key words you need to remember and you need to use when you are writing the answer. So how did the race end? The 100-meter race was changed into a 100-meter walk. In what way was the ending appropriate? As the race was already ended, when all the 9 athletes walked and finished the time, so instead of one, all the 9 athletes were there to win a gold medal. Not because they have made the race into a walk, but instead they have given a message to the world that supporting and cooperating with each other is more important than competing with each other. Okay. Moving towards how did the contestants feel when they crossed the finishing line together? They felt very happy and proud. We'll use these 2 words. The contestants were very happy and proud. How do you think the spectators reacted? Spectators clapped, cheered, and gave a standing ovation to the contestants for showing the true value of cooperation. Please write it down. Yes, you're right, Tulika. Whatever you're writing is right. How did the contestants feel when they crossed the finishing line together? They finishing line together. How do you think the spectators reacted? The spectators were cheering them and they were clapping and cheering and gave a standing ovation. All the 9 athletes were showing the true value, was spreading a true message of compassion and zeal and enthusiasm. Yes, they were enthusiastic when the race was begun. They were enthusiastic. Tulika, all the spectators were very enthusiastic when the race was begun. But the entire excitement changed into astonishment. So, because what they have represented there was not the competition, but they have actually showed the value of cooperation, sharing, and compassion. Okay. How did the race in Special Olympics became very special indeed? Again, the same thing. You have to write down how this Special Olympics became very special. Because these all nine athletes showed the value of compassion through sportsmanship, compassion, empathy, sharing, caring. They all and not only competing with each other, but they have shown the cooperation. So I hope there is no confusion with the question answers now. Is there any confusion with the question answers? Please put in the group or you can message me if there is any question or any problem regarding any of the question. Because many of you keep on sending me questions, I keep on answering you all. If you have still any confusion, you don't feel asking in the group, you can message me. Any confusion, please ask in the chat box because the meeting will be abruptly ended. Any confusion? Either you say yes or repeat the last answer. The fifth one, how did the race in the Special Olympics become very special? Don't write the numbers. All the participants. Anshika has asked a good question that ma'am, we will write all 9 athletes show the value of sportsmanship or 8 of them show the value. So better writing 8 and 9, write down the entire all the athletes who have participated in the race, 100 meter race. They all has just shown or gave a message of cooperation, empathy, compassion around. Okay. Any other confusion, please? Because already there is only 3 minutes, and the meeting will be abruptly off. Anything would you like to ask? Anybody would like to ask anything? For the next class, there are two options. Either we'll go with, see, poetry part is all done. So